Why do tankless water heaters matter? Because they provide unlimited hot water, twice the life expectancy of normal water heaters, and they're cheaper to operate, saving you money. Your tank water heater is about to go, you should seriously consider upgrading to one of these. It's so nice to never run out of hot water, whether you're doing laundry, dishes, giving kids a bath, dog a bath, you go hop into that cold shower. No more with these. Tankless water heaters are awesome. You should seriously consider upgrading your home to get one if you're in the market for a new water heater. I'm Kelton Balka, 5th generation licensed plumber with Tennessee Standard Plumbing and Drain.